home, 21 sitting Supreme Court judges have disclosed their assets to the public for the first time. These include Chief Justice Khanna and Chief Justice Designate Gavai. Ashmit standing by with the details. Ashmit, this is pretty historic. Take us through the asset declaration by the judges and the significance of this move.
Well, let's begin with the significance. Quite important, this landmark judgment coming at a time that there was increased scrutiny and outcry against judicial appointments on two counts. One, of course, the Justice Verma incident of cash being found in gunny bags at the residence, his Delhi residence. The other, of course, is questions being raised by the executive over the judiciary crossing the Lakshman Rekha and then dictating terms to the legislature and the executives. On both these counts, the mantra that the CJI, Justice Khanna, appears to be going with is that sunlight is the best disinfectant. Let's disclose all. Let's share those details. Now, as a result of that, for the very first time, we have as many as 21 of sitting 33 judges disclosing their assets and investments as a part of the Supreme Court website. There was a Supreme Court website release as well, which the press release said that there'll be, in fact, more disclosures going ahead as the judges bring on board their data about their assets. Now, what's important is that as many as all top five judges of the Supreme Court, including the CJI, as well as the CJI designate, have revealed their data. As far as Justice Khanna is concerned, he's revealed two houses, investments of 3.38 crore rupees, and one Maruti Swift. As far as CJI designate Justice Gavai, well, he's mentioned that he has as many as three houses, two in Maharashtra, one in Delhi, three land parcels, all of them in Maharashtra, investments of about 1.15 crore rupees. Justice K.V. Vishwanath, a distinguished lawyer till very recently, was elevated in 2023, has come across as the most affluent of the judges. He's come in with investments of 120 crore rupees, has four houses and paid as much as 91 crore rupees in taxes in 15 years, ending with FY25. That's not all. There were also questions that the Supreme Court has tried to answer in terms of how judges are appointed. Very detailed procedures have been listed out on the Supreme Court website, disclosing the number of judges that have been recommended by the collegium, the parameters on which they're assessed, including the parameters of how many pro-government or pro-tax department judgments have been authored by a particular judge. All these parameters listed out in the hope that as Justice Khanna gets ready to leave, he's retiring shortly in this month itself, as he gets ready to leave, perhaps this exercise and disclosure will restore some confidence back in the judiciary, back in the tallest judges of the country.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. That's the big story there coming in from the Supreme Court. And with that, it is time for us to wrap up this edition of Business 360. The news will continue right here on CNBC-TV18. For now, from all of us, thanks very much for watching.